baby.
Just, hey!
Touch it, Hayes.
There it is, coming around a corner. No, hero.
Davian, give the squirrel the cracker. Put it down. No, put it down. Now come here. Come here.
Oh. Ew, ew, ew.
Look, Evelyn, what's that? Oh my gosh! What's on your head?
Oh no.
Be nice. Gentle. Are you going to be gentle? No.
And she don't want to get off?
Fish was jumping.
Oh, it's okay. This is so nice. Nice, 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 nice. No, 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 no. Did you have a puppy, Sophia?
We are touching it.
Open up the box, Amonte.
Rit, do you have a pig? What is that? Better soft, yeah. Hi, cat.
Is this the red one?
Do it again. Do it again.
She torments the dog. You mean.
With Dylan's little buddy. That kitty loves Dylan. Kitty, kitty.
The baby.
Take it out! Take it out! Ah!
Oh.
You got that on camera!
Don't touch it. You bit my finger. You're gonna kiss us. Give me it, baby. Kiss us. Good.
No. Yeah.
Ethan, don't bite the T-Rex. Ethan, don't bite the T-Rex.
The birds that come and land on you.
Side duck. Side duck. Side duck. Side. Side. Side.
This is a big one. Hey, put it down. It's still upside down, honey.
Is he pulling you? Yeah, you better hurry up. You gotta go faster.
Good job. Look at mommy. You smile.
Don't touch his eye. Oh.
Touch a fish.
Are they hungry? You gonna feed them? Stop right there and feed them.
Uh-oh. What are you doing to Newt?
I have to drop them. They're not big enough to even. Can you give it to me so it's full in there? Full in there.
What are you doing? No. Oh, shoot. Sophie. It's okay. It's okay.
They gotta come to us.
Wait, don't move yet.
Sways, no. No, ma'am. No!
Oh, hell.
Oh, that one's for mommy? Here, let me take it.